Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best 4K camera under 500 you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Whether for television, video games, YouTube videos, or as a camera, a 4K video camera offers a great lot. A video camera was originally designed for the entertainment industry, but in today's world, it has become indispensable for a variety of other uses. A professional video camera is a high-end equipment used to create professional electronic moving images. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3: E 4K Sports. The Ambarella A9C75 chipset, a Sony IMX377 image sensor, and a high-speed Broadcom BCM43340 dual-band Wi-Fi module are all included in one handy little device. The video quality of this little action cam is excellent. It comes with a waterproof case, remote-controlled selfie sticks, and a flat color mode for simpler color modifications. On number 2: Panasonic Lumix FZ300. If your gadget can't capture planes or the craters on the moon, you'll need a super zoom camera. In 2021, the Panasonic Lumix FZ300 is the best super zoom you can buy. This camera produces 4K films at 30 frames per second and has a best-in-class 24x zoom lens, 25 to 600 mm. The camera is perfect for wildlife and vacation photography because it has so much zoom. The autofocus is lightning fast, and the burst shooting option can enhance your action shots. The camera has a touchscreen display with a high-resolution electronic viewfinder that can be angled to snap selfies. The subjects are brought into focus quickly thanks to Panasonic's DFD focusing technology. Additionally, while recording video, the continuous focus stability has been increased. The 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilizer plus helps to prevent blurring, which isn't ideal for 4K recording. With a 12.1 MP MOS sensor and tiny aperture settings, you'll receive excellent shots even in low light situations. The FZ300 may be managed remotely from your smartphone over Wi-Fi. The camera is capable of shooting raw photographs and processing them in camera. Its macro photography, with a minimum focusing distance of 1 cm, will astound you. The camera offers good value for money and a wide range of functions. However, camera accessories can cost more than $500, but if you stick to the camera alone, it should be within your budget. On number 1, GoPro Hero 8 Black. When it comes to action cameras, the word GoPro quickly comes to mind. This action camera behemoth has released the GoPro Hero 8, which boasts new features above its predecessors. The GoPro 8 has built-in loops that can be folded in and out at the bottom. Previous variants required plastic frames to be attached, but this model does not. As a result, you'll have a far more convenient pocketable action camera. You can capture videos in 4K at 60 frames per second at a bitrate of 100 megabits per second. For super slow motion shots, it can also film at 240 frames per second in 1080p. You can record photographs at 12 MP with better HDR using the waterproof, up to 33 feet, camera. The camera also comes with 4 digital lenses for a variety of shooting possibilities. The HyperSmooth 2.0 feature on the GoPro 8 is a significant upgrade over the GoPro 7s and a compelling argument to purchase this model. There are 3 levels of stabilization available: on, high, and boost. You'll get the most number of views or the smoothest video you've ever produced. Time-Wrap 2.0 has also been upgraded, taking advantage of HyperSmooth 2.0's incredibly smooth stabilization to shoot time-lapse films while moving through an activity. It allows you to go back in time while capturing a time-lapse in real time. So guys, this was the video about the best 4K camera under 500. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.